Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So let's actually begin the weekly analysis for this week. For those of you who are missing Nikita's videos, she'll be there from next week onwards, okay? For now, you have to bear with me. Now what we'll do, we'll take a look at what we spoke last week and also based on जो market currently दिख रहा है मुझे, we'll see कि what most likely I am planning to do in my own account. Okay. So first thing, you know what we discussed last week? We discussed that this was a very good resistance zone for the market. The resistance zone was 22,800. So if this 22,800 के ऊपर we close on the weekly time frame, this should be a bullish bet for us. So what I did, okay, because I knew that this is a resistance, we just went on and selling call options on this level. Okay, so that's how we just gobbled. Simple price concept that first time it will touch a resistance after a down move. Okay, it will try to spend some time here. Also, it needs a strong candle closing above the resistance zone. So until we do that, the probability is very high for call option sellers to keep winning. Okay. Now, what does this week's candle tell us? Okay. First thing, this is very close to being an inside candle. Okay. So if I consider this as very similar to an inside candle, all I have to do is trade the breakout. Okay. Now the breakout on the upside for me will be very good. I'll give you a reason why. Because last 3 weeks highs are almost at the same level here. Okay. So जब भी दो level अगर same होते हैं, ठीक है, तो उसका breakdown काफी मस्त रहता है. Okay. Now in this case we have 3 candles with the same highs. The upside breakout should be good if it happens. Okay. I would like a very good candle close. I'll show you Banknifty also. Banknifty is really very bad actually for the bullish kind of people because the candle sizes are very small and we need big candles to make profits. Okay. So the best case for bulls would be to get a closing above this resistance zone like this Marubozu kind of a candle. Please ignore my drawing. Okay. And similarly, whenever you get an inside candle, the best thing for you to do is just trade the breakout of the inside candle high and low. Okay, so even on the downside, what we have a support being broken. Okay, market has paused here and now is given an inside candle near the resistance zone. So logically speaking, if the inside candle low breaks, we might get a very good down move as well. Okay, so simple. I want to trade on the bullish side. Okay, whenever this inside candle high breaks out, that high is 22,676. Now the problem is till 22,800, I have a stiff resistance zone. Okay, this is a stiff resistance. So weekly chart pe we'll consider things bullish only with a strong candle closing above the resistance zone. Okay, something like this. Now let's move on to the daily chart. See, currently what is market doing? It's stuck in a range. Okay, now if it's stuck in a range, what you have to do, you have to trade the breakout or breakdown. Okay, upside or downside now, breakout or breakdown. Now if I draw my resistance lines, where do I get them? First resistance at 22,800, same thing what we discussed on the weekly time frame. Also a gap down days ke highs are very crucial for me. So for me, this zone, entire zone is a great resistance area for me. Okay, now the market is closed in a bearish kind of a zone and SGX is positive by 120 points. Okay, so bearish market mein, whenever we get a gap up opening, most likely unless the half body of this is crossed, okay, so only after that you should consider bullish. Now uske upar hi khulne wale hai hum. Now I'll tell you what to do when that happens. Okay, so before we talk about that, let's just discuss the bearish case scenario because you know market is going up. So let's talk about what is lesser likely to happen first, then we'll go on to most likely. So I think the probability for a down move is low, but at the same time, if it happens, it will be great. So I remember we trade M patterns and W patterns. This is a proper M pattern. How? Up move, down move, up move, and again, if it breaks the current low, you'll get an M pattern similar to this. Okay, now that means all you have to do is take bearish trades. Okay, post that. Check this M as well, last M. Okay, after this continuously you've gotten a down move. Okay, so keep trading all M patterns whenever you get keep trading all bearish patterns whenever you get a M breakdown. Okay, in general. Now coming back to what is most likely to happen. Okay, first thing is that we have established there is a resistance zone where I've marked. Okay, so that is the 22,700 to 800 kind of a zone. Now, very simple for a bullish case. Okay, what are we going to do? We are going to mark the current day's high. Okay, and above that, because 2 times market has fallen from there, this also makes it a good resistance zone. So you will only play bullish if you get a candle close above this for very short targets. Probably you can trade this till 22,800 only. Okay, the moment you come to 22,800, I would cut my bullish bets and check the fresh price action near this zone. Okay, this is what I would do. And whenever whenever you get a red candle closing, okay, see, for example, this is a bearish candle. Now this high is crucial. Now the moment this high is taken out, you can play bullish. वरना क्या होता है, this gap up, it will get sold into most of the times. And at least minimum criteria what you should keep 50% of the day's body. If it's closed above that, then you can think of bullishness. Minimum criteria you can keep. Now 100 points के लिए we've planned that, okay, the current last previous day high अगर निकलता है तो 22,800 तक का bullishness we can plan. ठीक है, simple plan on the upside. Now downside also we need to be very cautious because this support now it has already taken 3 times, but the 4th time if we come and break convincingly, I'm afraid now then the market can go down quite a bit. Okay, so उसका probability of going up then reduces substantially. ठीक है, तो ये मेरा mini plan है. And in general above this resistance zone, if the market gives a very strong candle close, ऐसा कुछ candle close देता है daily में, then that's it. I mean only puts then for me after that, no calls. We'll try to follow the same plan for Sensex. Okay, Sensex also resistance zone. ठीक है, so last 2 days high के ऊपर 74,400 के ऊपर you can take some bullishness till 75,000, some 600 point का move तक I think you have the capacity for an up move then, अगर ये current day high के ऊपर निकलता है तो. Okay, but सबसे dangerous for the bulls, what will it be? If this M pattern gets activated, I think it's very dangerous. So Sensex में very simple. Okay, if I have to remember any level in Sensex, I'll just remember 73,600 नीचे में, and ऊपर में I will think of only 74,800. So 74,800 आया, then I have to do something, और 73,600 आता है, then I have to do something. वरना बीच में there's no like prediction games won't work. Now let's talk about Bank Nifty. ठीक है, so Bank Nifty में see since the weekly expiry has stopped, you look at the daily candles. Okay, here इसमें कोई strong candle 1-2 दिख रहे हैं मुझे, बाकी सब ऐसे छोटे छोटे दोजी कैंडल्स है. सो इसमें मजा नहीं आता है, मतलब इसमें प्राइस एक्शन बनना ही रहा है. ओके, तो बैंक निफ्टी ओनली वन लेवल आई टेल यू ऑन द अपसाइड, 48,900. ठीक है, दिस इज क्रॉस्ड एंड अ स्ट्रॉन्ग कैंडल क्लोज वी गेट, तो द बॉटम इज डन फॉर मी इन बैंक निफ्टी. मतलब उसमें क्या है, वो फेल हो सकता है बट वी कांट डू एनीथिंग. लेकिन अगर वो बॉटम फॉर्मेशन लग रहा है वहां पे, so we have to keep trading it. Similarly on the downside, support 1, 2, 3, 4 times support we've taken. Strong bearish candle closing below the support, and the support for us is 47,900. याद रखो, तो 48,900 के ऊपर bullish, 47,900 के नीचे bearish. So this 1000 point के range में nothing you do in Bank Nifty if you're trading in Bank Nifty. कुछ नहीं करना है. ठीक है, यहाँ पे 47,900 के नीचे again we should take a bearish trade here. बहुत नीचे गिर सकता है बैंक निफ्टी, क्योंकि इवन ये जो पुराना है ना, ये जो मंथली चार्ट में ओरिजिनली वी हैड अ बुलिश व्यू. व्हाई? बिकॉज ये सॉर्ट ऑफ रेक्टेंगल फॉर्म हो रहा था, तो वी थॉट कि अपसाइड दिस विल ब्रेक. ओके, बट इट ब्रोक ऑन द डाउन साइड. ओके, हियर देन नाउ नीचे के टारगेट्स ओपनड अप फॉर दिस. ओके, इन बैंक निफ्टी. तो इफ द सपोर्ट ब्रेक्स, नाउ वी कैन ट्रेड टुवर्ड्स द डाउनवर्ड टारगेट ऑफ 46,000 लेवल. ओके, ठीक है, 46,000 तक वी कैन प्लान बैंक निफ्टी देन इफ द करंट वीक स्लो ब्रेक्स, मंथ स्लो, सॉरी. Okay, that's it I think. So I've covered price action wise whatever I wanted to cover. If you have any questions, let us know. If this analysis helps you, please hit the like button. And additionally, if any of you trade via algos for positional trading, okay, positional option selling only, I would say, so please comment down below. I want to contact you. I have some questions, okay, about this algo thing. Okay, so that's it for this video. I'll see you like after 1 or 2 weeks now. And if I forgot something in general, if you comment below whatever I forgot, I'll just reply to you. Okay, as like I might have like forgotten and missed that. So be safe and let's see. I'm actually expecting a trending move next week because of this inside candle. So let's see if that works or not. Okay, so that's it for this video. Bye bye.